What is code freeze? Code freeze is a period of 3 to 4 weeks when all V or master shells are considered hands-off to everyone university-wide. This means that during this period of time, no changes are to be made to the master V shells. Why, you may ask? The reason is that during this time, we are hard at work making copies of these master V shells that will become the live shells for upcoming term. Anything that is in the master V shells as of the code freeze deadline will reflect in the copies. Any changes made during code freeze can be lost or will turn up partially done in the copies. There are 6 code freeze deadlines throughout the school year. There are deadlines for Fall 1, Fall 2, Spring 1, Spring 2, Summer 1, and Summer 2. The deadlines usually fall about 6 weeks before the start of the term and about a month before the live shells are released to instructors. Code freeze deadlines are always on a Friday, and changes have to be made before the close of business for that day. After this day, no changes are allowed unless you officially ask for an extension. If you need your instructional designer or the CII to help make the changes, those need to be turned in to us with specific instructions a full week before the code freeze deadline to allow us time to make the changes. Teamwork is absolutely necessary to make sure we meet the code freeze deadline. Course maintainers, course developers, and instructional designers all need to work together. We need to make sure that new courses are fully developed and ready to run, existing courses are checked for mistakes, outdated assignments and links are updated, and that the grade center adds up. And finally, we need to check that textbooks are current and not going out of print. Remember, course maintainers are responsible for the courses they maintain. Please be our eyes and ears and alert us of any changes that need to be made. And don't forget to turn in your code freeze checklist. As a quick reminder, textbook assignments and major course changes need approval from the Dean of Curriculum, also known as Judith Connell. Now, when does code freeze end, you might ask? We have dates set for when courses will be released to instructors. That means that the instructors of the live shells can now go in and personalize their course. But it also means that full-time faculty can now go into the Master V shells and make changes for the next code freeze deadline. Although there are dates for release, please wait for the all-clear email from the ID to go in and start making changes for the next code freeze deadline. Sometimes there is a delay because the courses are constantly being added based on student numbers. Once the courses are released, the cycle starts and the process starts all over again. So to recap, code freeze is a period of time when no one is allowed to make changes to the Master V shells. The code freeze deadline is typically on a Friday and is the last day to make changes. The deadline is at the close of business for that day. Master V shells are the Blackboard courses we copy from to make clean live shells. Live shells are copies of the Master V shells that go live to students and instructors every term. These are courses that can be personalized by individual instructors. A course maintainer is a person that is in charge of making sure the courses assigned to them are up to date, functional, and ready to go live to students and instructors. The ID or instructional designer is a person that is there to help the full-time faculty continuously improve their courses by ensuring that instructions, grading, and course documents are clear to the students and that the design of the course is easily navigated by all. This person will also assist course designers and maintainers in the use of technology available to improve our courses. If any questions arise, please contact Alba Abeda, your instructional designer. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.